Hello guys, now we will go on to our next topic, that is custom formatting example. Now we will take an example of custom formatting in this chapter. As you know, we have already checked what is custom formatting, so we already had an introduction of custom formatting in previous 2.3 unit of this chapter. Now we will check a live example of custom formatting. So we will go to our Excel file, and suppose we want to format this column, and this is a number or currency column. We will check how to custom format this. So we will go to the home ribbon, home menu, and here we will go to the number and click on this ribbon. Here we can check any type or any format we want, like if we wanted rupees or any other way we want, like this way we want, we can do it like this. So if we apply on OK, it's showing like this. You can see, because it is not showing any decimal points, we can again go and we can define the decimal places we want, and then you can see here are 3 decimal places we can see here. Again, if we want to change the format of this expenditure or the sales figure, we can again go for custom formatting, and we can even define our own style here in this way, like dollar, star, or and so on. And if we want any decimal place, we can put decimal place after that, like we can put decimal place after these 3 hash. If we want 3 decimals, we will like this, and we will click OK, and as you can see, it's already changed here. So any style or any requirement, special requirement, if you have, you can define from here, or you can choose from many already defined styles here. So in this way you can format. As you can see, there is no decimal places, so no decimal place appears here, and you can change your own style, whatever you want. Go to here in the number ribbon in the home menu, and define your own style in the custom way. As many as decimal places you want, you can define here. As this is just an example, you can change according to your requirements, whatever is your requirement. So this is just an example. So you can see here I have defined one more decimal, and it appears here. So that's it. That's how we can change different columns to different custom formatting styles. Thanks for this video.